Hi, welcome to Yard GrowingSA, and here are 12 vegetables you can grow in June and July. Let's get to it. Okay, so why I say June and July is because I'm not going to make a one for July, because the same stuff you can grow in June, you can grow in July. So starting off first, it's going to be Swiss chard. So Swiss chard is going to take 7 to 14 days to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 70 to 80 days. That's if you want the whole thing. But what you can do also, you see the bigger leaves, as time go on, you can just cut that off and use it in salads and in your food and whatever you like. Next up is broad beans. So broad beans are going to take 10 to 15 days to germinate and will be ready to harvest in 12 to 16 weeks. Radish is going to take 7 to 10 days to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 30 to 40 days. But like I said, I'm leaving this one to get seeds, and I can see something's been eating it already. I must just come out at night. It's probably the slugs again. Turnips. So turnips is gonna take 7 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 60 to 80 days. Next up is cauliflower. Cauliflower is going to take 10 to 14 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 50 to 100 days. So peas is going to take 6 to 17 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 60 to 70 days. Now I'm just growing it here with my carrots, so I'm just pushing this back and then it can grow up on the bars over here. So with beetroot, you want to soak it overnight. And then it's going to take 10 to 14 days to germinate. We'll be ready to harvest in 40 to 60 days. So here's my beetroot. This is the dark red one. I threw 2 seeds in each one because I thought the seeds wasn't going to germinate, but look like many did, so I'm going to have to thin out some of these. Kale. So kale is going to take 6 to 12 days to germinate and be ready to harvest in 55 to 75 days. So with most leafy greens, that you can just harvest it by pulling off the side shoots and then always leave in the middle, but obviously not this one yet. This is still small. Cabbage. So cabbage are gonna take 7 to 10 days to germinate, and they'll be ready to harvest in 80 to 180 days. And I left them in the yard, and so a caterpillar came and destroyed half of them. Luckily there's still leaves on that I can still save and I can still plant it. So I think today is the day they go out. So celery, this is pink celery. So this is gonna take 14 to 21 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 85 to 120 days. But the same with all celery. And the same like with your lettuce and stuff, you can always just chop off what you need. Lettuce. So lettuce is gonna take 7 to 10 days to germinate. They'll be ready to harvest in 30 to 70 days. And like with all the other stuff, you can just cut and come again, depending which lettuce are you growing. If you're growing leafy greens, and it's fine. If you're growing the iceberg, obviously not. Spinach. So spinach can take 5 to up to a month to germinate. It'll be ready to harvest in 37 to 45 days. But I'm going to show you guys now how to germinate it, the best way to germinate it, because someone in the comments did comment how to do it, and I tried it and it worked much better than what I was doing. So what you're going to do is get your bag, paper towel or a cloth, put your seeds in here, make the cloth or the paper towel damp, leave it in the fridge for 2 weeks, and then you check up every second day or so. And there you go. The seeds is quite old. It's about 4 or 5 years old. And still germinating. So the ones that didn't germinate, I'm just gonna leave it for another week and see how that goes. Because this one looked like it came out about 2 days ago, and I did not check because it was just this 3. So they planted in here. And thank you guys for letting me reach 1,600 subscribers. I didn't even know I'm gonna get 100, but thank you so much. And if you want to see anything in the videos, you can just comment down below and I can try my best to make what or help you out. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Backyard out.